Last time I did the non-stick effect on stainless steel pans, they told me couldn't be done with little oil because I used too much oil on that one. So today I'm gonna show you how to do it with very little cooking oil so that you know that it works also with very little cooking oil. Here I now that I have the cooking pan, it has to be hot enough, and then afterwards you add the oil. So now we're gonna let the oil heat up. Now the oil is ready. We're gonna test it with some fried eggs. You're gonna need a spatula like this. If I can turn them over without them sticking, that means the non-stick effect worked. I'm gonna separate them so it's easy to turn them over. As you can see, the non-stick effect worked. Now let's try this other one. And as you can see, it worked perfectly. That's how you can create the non-stick effect to your stainless steel pans with not much cooking oil.